Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a pulse forward. Knowing how to do a pulse back already be really helpful. I'll put a link in the description below so you can get to that easily and quickly if you need it. It's much easier to learn the pulse back before the pulse forward, so I'd always recommend doing them in that order. Jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And then you're ready to go into something else. So if we break that down, you can do it from anything where you're stepped away into your hands. So you could do it at the end of an octopus or something like that. We're doing it off a traveling return to make it easy. So we just do the traveling return. We're going to two hands as we do so. And we want the lady to go back nice and square with maybe just a little bit more force than usual, because we're trying to get more tone than we would normally get at this point. And we don't want to do it by sinking, because that's going to slow us down. So we've given the lady a little bit more force back. We've increased our tone. The lady can feel that. She's going to match that tone. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring the lady forwards quickly so she gets a double step. 1, 2. The guys are going to recreate that same position by going back themselves. 1, 2, and we're trying to get that same feeling of having the lady really, really ready to come forwards. And then we do it again. 1, 2, and we do it one more time. 1, 2. We bring the lady forwards this time. 1, 2, and we're finishing. So instead of holding the lady in place and backing up ourselves, we're going to do a standard step back for both of us, softening everything off, ready for whatever it is we're going to do next. So if we do the same thing from this side, and we'll talk numbers. So it goes back 1, traveling return 2, get the setup right on 3, then pulse the lady 4, guys 5, lady 6, guys 7, ladies 8, and step back 1. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a pulse, forward, it's a back, over the top, and prep. Ladies, guys, ladies, guys, ladies, and back. Hope you find that one useful and fun out on the dance floor. It is possible to do the pulsing double time, but you want to have plenty of experience of doing it single time first. Music recommendation on the end of the video, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.